Dear student, welcome to official YouTube channel of ASSMS IOIT. I, Mrs. H.B.Magar, will help you to solve some numerical based on amplitude modulation. So let's take question. The equation of amplitude wave is given by S of t is equal to 10 1 plus 0.6 cos 2 pi 10 raised to 3t cos 2 pi 2 into 10 raised to 5t. So find out the carrier power, the total sideband power and the bandwidth of AM wave. So they have asked us about the carrier power, the total sideband power and the bandwidth of AM wave. So first of all, for solving this equation, write down the standard equation of amplitude modulated signal, which is nothing but S of t is equal to Vc 1 plus m cos 2 pi fmt into cos 2 pi fct. So which are the different terminologies here? Vc is nothing but the carrier amplitude, carrier signals amplitude. M is nothing but the modulation index. Fm is nothing but the frequency of modulating signal, and Fc is nothing but the frequency of carrier signal. So comparing this equation, standard equation, with the given equation of M wave, what is the given equation? S of t is equal to 10 1 plus 0.6 cos 2 pi 10 raised to 3t cos 2 pi 2 into 10 raised to 5t. So comparing this equation with the standard equation, we can extract these values. Vc is equal to 10 volt, modulation index equal to 0.6, the frequency of modulating signal 10 raised to 3, that is 1 kilohertz, and the frequency of carrier signal 200 kilohertz. So first of all, they have asked about carrier power. So carrier power PC, the formula is Vc square upon 2R. So Vc is, now we have the value of Vc, R is not there, so assume R is equal to 1 ohm. So whenever R is not given, you can assume its value as a 1 ohm. So now substitute the values. So we are getting PC is equal to 10 square upon 2. That is Vc is 10, so 10 square upon 2. So the carrier power is 50 watt. So how to find out carrier power? That is by the formula Vc square upon 2R. So by putting this value, we are getting carrier power it as a 50 watt. Then next they have asked about the total sideband power. So total sideband power PSB, or we can say PSB is equal to P USB equal to P LSB. So as we know, the power in both sidebands are same. So power required for transmitting upper sideband is equal to power required for transmitting lower sideband. And so common it is known as the sideband power. We can say PSB is equal to PC m square upon 4. So substituting this value PC and the m values in above formula, we are getting power of sideband is equal to 50 into 0.6 square. 0.6 is the modulation index, 0.6 square upon 4. So the total sideband power is 4.5 watt. Now lastly they have asked about the bandwidth of AM wave. So what is the formula of bandwidth of AM wave? It is nothing but 2fm. Already we have extracted the value of fm. So substituting this value of fm, that is 1 kilohertz. So bandwidth is equal to 2 into 1 kilohertz, that is 2 kilohertz. Therefore the bandwidth of AM wave is 2 kilohertz. So we have find out all three value, the carrier power which is nothing but the 50 watt, the total sideband power 4.5 watt, and the bandwidth of AM signal which is nothing but 2K. Thank you.